All right, the results of the sero surveillance that was carried out in Delhi by taking samples of over 21,000 random people to check the extent of the spread of COVID-19 has revealed that about 23.48% people in Delhi were infected and have developed antibodies against COVID-19. The study also indicates that a large number of infected people remain asymptomatic.
The results of the sero surveillance that was carried out in Delhi between 27 June to 10th of July, those results are out. That survey had been conducted to find out the extent of the infection within the national capital. And now that the results have come out, the Health Ministry has said that 23.48% of the people in the national capital have been infected and they have developed antibodies. So these are people who had corona at some point of time, they recovered from it and have developed antibodies without actually ever knowing it that they had COVID. The government has said that this is a good sign that we are 6 months into the epidemic and only 23.48% so far have been infected in the national capital. They've appreciated the work done by the Delhi government in terms of their containment measures, all the social distancing measures that were announced. All the contact tracing that was done, all of that work has been appreciated by the Health Ministry. But they've said at the same time that these results also mean that a large chunk of the population is still vulnerable, and that is why all of these measures, whether it's social distancing or wearing of masks, all of those preventive measures should still continue. Over 21,000 samples were taken. The blood test of sorts was conducted of all of these people within the blood serum, whether there are antibodies or not. That is checked as part of the sero surveillance tests. In New Delhi, with camera person Gauri Prasad, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.